Sir, Shivaratri. What you will do morning in Shivaratri? Hmm? Really required? Hmm? Online team. Increase the volume. Huh? No? Okay. So, what you will do with tomorrow if I give a holiday? Shivaratri, right? DevOps Jagaram. Yes, you can do DevOps Jagaram night, but class is morning, right? That's what. No, 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 no. Not required. Not required. Okay, not required. Huh? So we have a class tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Puja for getting job, sir. You can do puja for all, not for you. So no holiday. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. Let's start the work. Local. Okay. The same thing. Let's go to my EC2 instance. Okay. Let's go to GitHub. Okay, let me create one repository. So some issues, how we can rectify the issues. We are working on it today. Okay. And also branching concept. So let me create a repository test and create a repository. Okay. Let me clone this one. Git clone. Sorry. Space. The same thing. Let's go to my EC2 instance. Git clone. Paste it. Could you please also share this course content? N. Sharma, what happened to you? You joined today? Guys, while sharing the links, be careful, okay? Without permission of admin, if you can share, may they can remove you from the group. So whoever offline, you have done registrations, come to offline only. Sometimes if there is an emergency, they can understand, they will share the links to you to join online. Okay. Offline students stick on offline classes. Sometimes okay, but every time sharing links, it may misuse. Okay, understand? Offline students, try to come offline. Otherwise, stick on online completely. Sometimes, okay, we can, but not regularly. So Monday, Tuesday online, sir. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday offline, sir. Friday, Saturday absent, sir. Monday doubts, sir. Also not recommended. So at this time, we are entering into the very danger zone. If you are not in the good shape, no one can save you. Again, you have to join one more DevOps training. That is very different. So just I'm saying one example. My colleague joined one DevOps training. Okay, recently, just he called me yesterday night only. Uh, Maybe there is some ego issues are there, right? How he can take training from me? He's my colleague, right? So he is strong in AWS, not in DevOps. Colleague means just junior. So he joined somewhere. I'm not going to relieve that institute name anyway. So he joined, I think, Jan 30 complete DevOps training. Okay, just what he explained. Just I want to know that what is the content? Can you give the content? Just he given the route map for Jenkins 4 days, Git 2 days. Okay, AWS and whatever all those things in 4 days, Linux in 2 days. Just I have seen everything. I surprised everything. But finally, I asked one question: how to configure Jenkins? You don't know. So if you learn like that way, there is no use, guys. First of all, time, money, confidence. Okay, time you can earn. Sorry, money you can earn. Time also 1 month, no problem. But confidence, hope. He lost the hope. The reason I don't know. It's very difficult. DevOps. He in his mind he registered DevOps is very difficult. The reason is he is not taking training in good way. Always he suggests to others DevOps is difficult. He always, if someone will come and ask what I can do, DevOps is easy. Definitely he can say DevOps is very difficult to all. Because of these guys, because of these training modes, others can understand DevOps is difficult. Okay. So learn in slow way. Not in 1 month, not in 45 days. See, 45 days, it is possible to learn DevOps means how it is in the market, hot cake in the market, no? Is it possible in 45 days? To understand, cloud for us, it's took 30 days, right? Understand it. So many people yesterday ping me, sir, why we need to learn GitHub 5 days, 1 week? Can we close in 2 days? We don't have much time. We need to complete in 1.5 months. Someone is going to give reference to me. Like that stories I already told you, right? Before time. See, this course definitely it will take 3.5 months time or 4 months. Don't put any pressure on me to complete Jenkins in 2 days, Maven in 3 days, Terraform in 2 days. It is not recommended in this my training. Okay. Once again, I'm saying don't put any pressure. So I need to take care of others also. So here many people are there, 100 plus. So I need to take care of all, not 1, 2, 3 guys, right? But one more suggestion to giving you, don't trust anyone if anyone is come to give a reference. Once again, I'm saying just trust yourself. That's it. Without knowledge, no one can save you. Is this clear? Okay, let's start. So let me switch to CD test. Nothing is there here also. Okay, LS. Nothing is there, right? Both ends all are clean. So I'm taking an example of two systems. One is Windows, one is Linux. You can understand two developers working parallelly. Okay. So for example, guys, so I'm going to add some content. For example, you can add any script here, whatever. Here, two scenarios we need to understand. Two developers. Let me take a paint here. So Git conflicts. Okay. What are the Git conflicts? If you can see here, GitHub. Okay, GitHub. So two systems here. Understand very carefully. Don't think anything. Course content and Shivaratri holidays. Your focus always here. Otherwise, no one can explain you to understand this class. This is very confusing class, very difficult class. Here we can see what is Git. Okay, developer 1, developer 2. Okay, guys, two developers working same repository, that is test repository. Clear? Okay, so both already clone into their systems. This is also clear, right? Okay, yeah. So now both accounts, both missions, test is there, test is there. What it is? Repositories. Don't, it's not a files. Say repositories. Okay. Now, so whatever I have done, just I have showing you here on the picture format. If you can see, I'm the test now. So I'm in the main branch. Why main branch here? I have cloned. I have cloned main branch test repository into my local. That's what I'm able to see main. But coming to Linux, we're unable to see here some nothing. Clear? What I need to do here to check the branch? Git branch, not branches. What happened? Am I correct? Git branch, right? What happened? I will tell you, wait, yeah. Not a valid object name main. What's going on? I have cloned, right? Let me wait. RM minus RF. Not required. Git branch is right? Git branch. So I'm in the main branch. So I'm able to see Git branch. For example, okay, we'll explain later for the branch. May you convince, leave it for that. Okay, we are in a both are main branch. You can consider that. Okay, so let me create one file inside it. Okay, now touch file one. Okay, so ls file one is there, right? Now git status, my file one had to add. So git add, git commit -m file one. Just for understanding, I'm giving. Okay, now git push to my same branch. See, I'm in the same repository. I'm into the same repository. That's what I'm able to push. I have already configured SSH keys. Is this clear? Last one. What happened? Thinking for holiday na? Okay, so git log. Guys, now this is my commit ID, right? This is my commit ID. My message is file1. Head main means local. Local. Origin means remote. So both are in same branch. And both are in same commit. Is this clear? Let's go and verify now. Okay, what is my commit ID here? F5, F484 something. Come to local. F4840, same commit. I mean, I'm in the track with remote repository. Clear? So, my local commit, my local repository commit, my remote repository commit, both are same. I mean, I'm in the track of my GitHub remote repository with the local repository. Is this clear? Okay, let's come to now here, paint again. So, here the same commit ID, F48 something. Here also, F48 something commit ID is there. See, my local repository, whatever my local repository and my remote repository, both are in same line. Clear now? In this case, you can pull the changes, no problem. You can apply, pull the changes. Nothing will happen. See, git pull, already up to date. You are in the up to date with the GitHub remote repository. Is this clear? Your repository is up to date with the remote repository. Clear? Okay. Now, this guy is in the team. What he need to do first? Now he need to add something. Developer to need to add something. For that, what he need to do first? He need to pull the changes into his mission first. Why? Whatever commit ID is there in the remote, right? He should pull into the local repository. Then only he is going to add new changes. Is this clear? Let understand here. Git pull now. Why not clone here? I have already cloned, right? I have already cloned. I'm in the same repository. Developer 1, developer 2, remote, both all are in same repository. So if the first time you need to read the clone, it is not a first time, right? So already registered repository already clone in my local laptop. Just I need to update changes in my local laptop. I have given pull command. Now if I give git log F4840, clear? I mean, now both developers same line. Is this clear, everyone? Come to here. Here also F48 something. No problem. All are in same page, no problem. Now again, my developer 2 added something. You need to understand one thing here. My developer 1 working with other file, not the same file. Condition 1 is other file. Condition 2 is same file. Condition 2 we can discuss later. We are going to work with condition 1 with the same file. Condition 1 here. Both developers working with different files. Is this clear? Okay. How to rectify conflicts to developers? First, we need to understand when the conflicts will come. Without pull the updates from the remote, if you try to push your changes, conflicts will come. You are not into the track with the remote repository, then conflicts will come. Is this clear, everyone? Let's prove now. So ls, now different file. I'm not going with same file. So create for example, different file. Clear? I'm creating different file. Git add, git commit -m, this time file to commit. Git push. Excuse me. Clear? Now git log. See, in my end, I'm able to see 2 commits total. This one is what? Previous commit, file 1. Now, what is the latest commit here? File 2. Now, my local repository is in the file to commit. I mean, latest commit, it indicates head. And remote indicates origin main also, same commit. So, my developer 1 is up to date with the remote repository. Is this clear? Yes. Now, come to developer 2. Guys, I'm not checking any messages. We are in the flow, right? Just please understand. Now, if I give git log, but in his end, where is E33? Okay, let's go to my remote repository now. Refresh here. How many commits will come here? 2 commits. See, latest one is E33 ECE2. That is file to commit. Done by developer 1. So now developer 2 align with this GitHub remote repository means he need to pull and add his updates. But if developer 2 trying to add one more file here, touch file 3, git add dot git commit -m file 3. Clear? Now give a git log. Here we can understand one thing clearly. Developer 2 head indicates recent commit 152b9e. The previous commit F4840 in the developer 2 point of view. But actually remote repository, not F4840 is the recent one. Recent one already updated by someone. You supposed to pull the changes, update your track, the previous commit is the latest commit, and you can add your changes on top of that, your latest commit. Clear? But developer 2 and still he is thinking this is the latest commit, but already done by developer 1 commit. So he is lag of 1 commit here, right? He is not up to date with the remote repository. If I push now, what I'm saying to GitHub, hey GitHub, this is my previous commit. This is my latest commit. You can add into your remote repository. Okay. Git push. Okay. So I'm getting an error. What is this error? Just read this error. Updates were rejected. My updates were rejected because the remote contains work that you do not have locally. Means what? The remote commit, whatever it is, their latest one, that not there in your local. Means I haven't pulled, right? If you pull means definitely the remote changes, the remote, whatever the updates, it should be there in your local. Then you can add on top of that. And caused by another repository pushing to the same reference. If you want to integrate the remote changes, use git pull before. If you git pull means the remote changes update into your local. Now you are up to date. You can add your changes on top of that. Is this clear? They're saying use the git pull before pushing. I mean, if you can see git log again before pull means still this is my latest one, my previous one, F4840. But in between already 1 commit is there, right? What is that commit? Developer 1 commit. You need to pull that first. Then you can add it. See, if you are adding means Git may confuse, right? Where should I add this commit? On top of the FE4? I mean, on top of the E33, ECE or F4840. If it is a F4840, latest one still indicates E33. That is not correct, right? Clear or not what I'm trying to say? So he's supposed to pull this latest changes from the remote repository. So in that case, he is able to see E33 EC2. Then you can add on top of the your push changes. Clear? So every time good practice is whatever you are adding something, first you need to pull into your remote changes into your local, then you can add your changes. If you forget means this type of issues will come. How we can rectify that? Just give the git pull and again git push. Clear till here? Any confusions here? Online and offline? Different file, same branch. I'm not discussing any branches. Okay. Okay. So what I can do now? I need to pull and push. First case, git pull. If it is a different branches, you need to update git pull origin branch name. Here only one branch, that's what default one it's taking. So it is popping up something, right? Merge branch main of the github.com. So you are going to merge your commit into that. Clear or not? See, you are going to merge the latest commit in between your latest commit. Then only you are going to update your changes, right? So you are going to merge in between that. So they're asking, please enter the commit message to explain why the merge is necessary. So what we can do here? Give insert first. You can give any message or leave it, no problem. So what message I can give? Forget pull, right? Just for understand only. Done. I given some message. It is popping up into that some page. I given some message. Otherwise, don't give any message. Just quit and save and quit back. Then you can push it, right? Now, if you can give git log, see here. Updated or not? Updated or not? What is this? This is latest one, developer 2 and latest one commit. This is what? Whatever remote changes is there, right? It's updated into before as a before commit. And F for something is there, right? That is this before commit. Clear or not? Then what is this commit? This is merging commit. You merge something, right? Again, one more commit will come. Right or not? So to update your changes into remote repository, your main thing is the remote repository should be there in your as a previous commit into your repository. Then only you can add on top of that your changes. For that, see, this is coming into your previous repository, previous commit. This is your latest commit, file 3 commit. This is merge commit. If you merge means all files will come into this commit ID. If you want to check, you can check. First of all, give Q to come back from here. Git checkout. If you want to check, git checkout, give the local repository ID here and give ls. File 1, file 2, file 3. All are merged into one commit. I mean local repository commit files I'm checking here. Is this clear? Okay. Now git checkout main. Okay. See, in this case, I'm able to see my commit ID. Now I'm checkout to main. Okay. Okay. Now, so my end is clear, right? My end is clear everything. So if I give git pull, already up to date will come. Already up to date. But what about developer 1 and now? Already up to date or not? No. See, if you have any confusion, refresh your remote repository. After refresh, see E33E is the latest one, right? Okay, okay. I forget to push, right? I just committed it only. So git push, right? Git pull and push. That's it only. Clear? Now you can go on refresh here. So how many commits will come now here? Any guess? As of now, 2 commits. If I refresh, how many commits will come? 4 commits. Why 4? Supposed to come 3 now. Merge commit also going to add, right? Yeah. Merge commit also going to add. Clear now? 4 commits. You can click on the commits, you can see. File 1 is a 1 commit. It's done by developer 1. File 2, developer 2. File 3, again developer 1. This is merge commit. Clear? Okay, come now. So this is the conflicts will come if the 2 developers are before pull, if they're trying to push, there will be a conflicts. Is this clear, everyone? Now again challenges come now here. Okay. Same thing now. Git, whatever. Here, this guy is able to try to push something without pull. Again, same challenges, right? Again, he need to merge something, again push. Means what happened here? Merge commits is going to increase, right? Merge commits is going to increase, right? That's what, but this is the safest one. Merge commits is the safest one, but increase the commits. If you use the rebase, it will not create any merge commit, directly it will add into on top of the your previous commit. That is the difference between rebase and pull. Anyway, we can discuss. I'm explaining very slow here. That's what your focus is always here. Anyway, okay, one more time. From this end, we will try now. Okay, Windows side, we can do that. Now, Linux side, developer 1 has to pull first, right? See, if you can see, git log. In his end, remote indicates what? Origin main indicates what? E33 ECE. E33 ECE. If I give git pull, will update everything, right? Will update this one, right? Yeah. See, developer 1 side, the latest one is EW3 ECE. Same story like reverse. But actually the commit is what? E29 BD14. Why? It is updated by developer 2. Which guy? This guy. Okay. So he has updated commit ID. Control V. Okay. But in his end, local system end, in his end, E3 something, E33 ECE2, right? Right or not? But if he is going to commit something, definitely one more ID will come. For example, SVGH something ID. If he commit any latest one, he is going to add on top of that this commit. This commit already there in the remote, right? But already the remote repository, this commit already added on top of that by someone. What you need to do? If you want to maintain the track, first you need to pull into the latest one. On top of that, you can add your commit. E29 BD14. But if he is not, if he is directly pushed without pull means again conflicts will come. Why? He is an E33 EC2 is the remote commit, but remote commit already changed by developer 2. What you need to do first? Git pull, then push. Clear or not? Every commit from either developers create extra merge commit. The extra merge commit will come if you, without pull, if you push. Definitely we can understand by seeing the merge commits. Your manager can understand why so many merge commits. What you can say, I forget to pull. That's it only. Nothing will happen. Commits will increase. That's it only. If developer will pull means whatever latest commit. Wait, yeah. First complete different file. Then we can jump into the same file. Okay. Nagarjuna, wait sometime. Okay. This ID will come into that local repository, but he should pull the changes first, right? Let me pull it now. Anyway. Okay. See, in his end latest is E33 EC2. But what I need to do, if I pull means done. Git log. Which one is the latest now? E33 is in his end before latest commit. After pull, 2 commits added. Why? Why 2 commits here? This is latest commit by developer 2 and merge commit. Clear? See, forget pull. Whatever I have given message. Merge commit is the latest one now. So on top of that, he is going to add his commit again. Is this clear? Okay. So now both are in same page, right? No conflicts. Now both are in same page, no conflicts. Now again someone, for example, is going to add something, again you need to pull. Otherwise, if you push means you need to pull again and push back. While pull time, it will ask merge it. Is this clear? What is your confusion? Yes, very good. This is correct. Imran Mohammed, yes. It means both. Why? Both are working same repository, right or not? If both are working different repository, no problem. That's what to overcome these issues. Everyone work with different branches. Is this clear now? If I'm the developer one now, I'm working with my branch. Developer two working with developer two branch. Developer three working with developer three branch. You can push, pull, no changes. Only one person is working, right? In the real time, we are working with the branching strategy to overcome these issues. But if you create a different branches, finally you need to merge into main branch, right? All are working with the main branch. Finally, we are going to merge into the main branch. While time again conflicts will come, you need to sit and reduce the conflicts. Clear? What is the merge commit? Merge commit is means your commit and remote commit. There is no tracking, right? Both can merge into one commit. When developer pull means what? All remote commits update into your local repository, right? Already merge commit push by developer 2, right? If you pull means that merge commit will come, right? If it is not come, again some commit lag is there, right? You want remote repository. Clear or not? See, don't confuse much here. Whenever I push, developer to push, see here, this guy is push means this guy and git log. Merge commit is right. After push, after merge means one commit is coming here. Merge commit. This is the latest one now. This merge commit contains all files. If I push means this merge commit considers the latest one in the remote repository. If you pull means it will come merge commit and also latest commit, whatever he made by developer 2 in that your mission. This is file 3 created by developer 1, developer 2. This is merge commit. Now, then only you can add your changes. If now you are on the track, right? If you can give git pull, already up to date. Already up to date. If you can go now here, give Q to come back, git pull. So definitely already up to date. Why? Both the all commit IDs are tracking latest IDs. Clear now? Okay. For example, dev1 is path A, dev2 is path B. So both has come to common track path C. That is merge, right? Yes. That is we can discuss in the branching concept. Path A means different branch. Path B means different branch. So both are going to merge into the main branch. We can discuss in that branching concept. Now all are working in the same branch. Conflicts will come if you are working with the same branch, same repository. If you are working with the different branches, you can push, you can pull, no problem. But their conflicts will come once you are merged into the main branch. Is this clear? At this time, leave it for different branches. The topic is pending now. So we can understand the condition is what? Different files, same branch. Okay? Different files, same branch. Is this clear, everyone? So definitely, I can understand. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to add again some content now again. So touch, same different file. One more example, different file. Then we can move to same file. Next example, okay? The same example I'm discussing one more time. If you have any confusions, just focus on here. Okay? Okay. For example, again, touch file 5 means different file, not same file. I'm working with a different file. Okay. Understand here clearly. Git add, git commit, -m. Okay. So I have created one more file in the same repository, same branch. But this file created developer 1, developer 2 don't know. This file created by developer 1. When they know, if he push to changes into remote repository. And after that, if we pull, he can understand, okay, some file is created by developer 1. Is this clear? Okay. So developer 1, again, I'm explaining here. If you miss something, please focus here. Okay. So all are up to date with the remote repository. Okay. Let's come here. What is my latest ID? E29. Copy. All up to date, right? All up to date. But developer 1 created again file 5 and commit it, right? Commit means one ID will come, right? By default. Commit ID will come, right? That commit ID means what here? Git log. I have already created file, already committed. Git log. Which one is the latest? This one. Okay. Copy. This is the latest ID. In developer 1 end, right? Clear till here? So, is able to push or not? Push or not? Why? He is up to date with the pull. He is going to add on top of that here. Which one? This one. Clear? But in his end, still previous commit. He is trying to add any commit on top of that E29BD. On top of that, already one more commit is there, right? That's what he's enabled to pull, push, merge it first. Take this one, latest one into his local and merge it into your recent one. Clear? Anyway, just wait. Okay, in his point of view, he is able to push or not. Push, right? Why? Latest, both are up to date, local and remote. Then you can add on top of that your ID. Is this clear till here? Okay, let me push the changes now. Give Q to come back. If you can see, where is your origin here? Where is your origin remote? Here, right? Where is your local? Here. I mean, one commit ahead, right? Once you push, this origin will move to here, right? Clear or not? You are little advanced one commit. Why? You have committed into only local. If you push means this commit will go to remote, then both are in same place. Clear or not? Let me push now. Now again git log. Clear? This case F56B something is there. Locally you have committed, then you can push to remote also. So you push to remote means before your GitHub commit is this one, right? Whenever you push, this commit is change, move to this commit, latest one. If you can go to GitHub and refresh it now, latest one will update here. See, F56BD is updated. Okay, this change is done by developer one. Now developer one and is up to date, right? Up to date. Now come to developer two. Now come to developer two. In his end, one commit is not updated. What is that commit? Latest one. Still in his end, this is the latest. But actually, this is the latest. What he need to do? He need to pull the changes from the remote repository, means this ID will update into his local repository. Then you can add your changes on top of that one ID. Same, he need to pull. You can add your ID on top of that. Like that, it has to work. But what happened here? Instead of pull, he is trying to create one more file. Okay? Understand it, guys. File 6 is going to create file 6. Actually, he need to push means first in his local up to date. But no, one commit is difference will be there. So that you need to pull and push. But without pull, you are creating file and try to push. This is the scenario, right? Let's come here. If you can check here git log. Which one is the latest one? In his point of view, E29B D147. Remote repository point of view, this commit will come second, right? I mean, previous one already done on top of the developer two, developer one. Clear till here? Everyone? Yes. But instead of git pull, if you pull means this will update into the latest one. Instead of git pull, you are going to create a one more file. You don't know, right? If you pull means you can understand, okay, one more file is created in the repository, but you don't know that you are trying to push. Okay, touch file 6. Git add, git commit -m file 6. Okay. Now git log. In your point of view, whatever file 6 you have created, the latest commit, right? In your point of view, add this commit on top of that E29BD in the remote. In your point of view, remote still E29BD. But remote is not in E29 BD. Where? Remote is in F56 DBA something. To update into your local, you're supposed to give git pull first. Now F2 by F2D something it will come here. On top of that, your commit will be going to push. No problem. But you don't know that someone is push. You know if you pull. You don't know that. That guy is not updated you. So blindly you can try to push now your changes. So it will allow push once you pull. Okay. So I'm trying to push now. So understand this is the latest one in developer 2 point of view. I'm just copying here. Okay, he's trying to add this commit, file 6 commit. This is file 6 commit. Is trying to add on top of E29 BD. But already F56 is there. We don't know. So that's what issues will come now. Clear? Now what he need to do? Git pull. Git pull. So we can give some message here. Give insert. You can give please merge something. Now how many commits is going to create? How many commits? No. Developer 2 point of view. He's going to add only one commit, right? On the remote. But because of merge, how many commits will come? 2 commits will come. Clear? Now give git log. See. His latest one is what? This one. His previous one is what? This one. Because of merge, if you can see here. Fi6 is what? Latest one. From remote, you have to update, right? In your local. This is pushed by developer 1, right? Updated. Clear? And this is file 6 what? Your file developer 2. Because of merge, one more commit is created. Clear? If you can check out this branch means this, if you check out this ID means you are able to see all files up to date. Clear? So now git push. Clear, guys? This is the process how we can overcome the issues. If you're okay, next I'll jump to same file. That is different story. Okay. Yes, we have to educate developer to always pull or developer 1 also always pulls. Whatever thing. If you are working with the same branch, same different files, even interviews, they will ask like that. If both developers are working in the same branch, okay, same branch, same repository, what type of conflicts will come? You have to say that. If here 2 conditions. Condition 1 is if both developers working with the different files without pull and push, without pull, if you are there they are trying to push means one commit is a difference will come. So they are unable to push the changes. At that time, they need to pull and push. So here we need to understand. Remember one thing, while pull time, one more commit is going to update. That is merge commit. So you have to say that. So can we overcome that merge commit means we can use the git pull rebase. Rebase will not create one more merge commit. It's a linearly will create a files commits. Clear? Okay. Automatic mechanism means you can use the desktop. Okay, Git desktop. But how developers to know that there are some updates in central? That's what you need to use the Git. You have to habituate the Git pull before. Even he push or not. Clear? Even if okay, is there any problem to give Git pull if there is no updates? Then instead of doing this much of exercise, better to give Git pull. Clear? Sir, it's very difficult to learn these things, sir. Then don't forget to give Git pull. That's it. Clear? This is not at all good, guys. Ramesh, every commit, if you are giving notification means you will get always your Gmail notification pop up on your mobile or laptop, right? This is not a good practice to give notification for commit, notification for some action. Is this clear, everyone? See, already one person realized Git is. I told you, right? What is Git? I will show you tomorrow, yesterday. This is just sample. Stories are there. Git stories, difficult stories. Okay. So before doing this, better to remember Git pull always. Okay. But interviews definitely they will ask these questions. So you need to understand one thing, guys. If I whatever process if I'm showing here, you need to practice in different ways. Okay. Okay. We can check out commit ID also. Git check out commit ID. We can check merge files list. We can check latest files. Like that, we can need to explore the things. Here, very difficult to explore everything, right? As a trainer, I can show only one scenario. You have to create multiple scenarios. You have to try with this experience. Even if you go into the project, they can use the different scenarios, right? With this experience, you can learn the scenarios, you can do it. But you cannot say in my previous project, I have never get chance to work on this. Yes, I can understand, but learn and do it. Yeah. Yes, Pravalika, you are right. Otherwise, why can't we check git remote -v? Okay, leave it git remote -v. Why can't we go and check GitHub remote repository, your latest commit ID? Then you can give git pull. Check your git log, check your latest commit, check your remote latest commit. If both are same, no problem. Otherwise, you can verify. Clear or not? But sir, is this really required to remember git pull? So many times we can forget, na sir. Yes, I can understand. That's what real time you are using different branches. Developer one using different branch, developer two work different branch. So conflicts will come same branch, same repository. Different branch, no problem. I will show you tomorrow how we can overcome these issues in the different way. Anyway, now same branch, same repository, same file. We can jump now. Okay. Let's come now. This is very interesting and very confusing also. So be focused here. But in regular activities, first 3 classes is enough as a DevOps engineer. But we need to understand if interviews definitely they will ask this type of questions. Git means no one will ask what is pull, what is push. Everyone can know that, right? Okay. Now the scenario is give the git pull first. What I'm going to do something activity. I'm giving the git pull first. Already up to date, right? Why? Developer to done some changes, merge commit, everything is there in the GitHub remote repository. That's what I have pulled here. Now up to date both ends, right? No problem, right? Now the condition 2. Condition 2 is, I will give the entire notes, don't worry, in the line by line. You can follow that only. Both developers working with same repo, same branch, same file, same line. Okay. What is this, Git? I thought this is very easy. Okay. Condition 2 is what? Both developers working with same repository, same branch, same file, same line. What is this? Let me go on that. For example, guys, so far is clear, everyone? No confusions? Online team? Online team, any confusions so far? Without pull, if you push the changes, CC, right? Let's focus on now, same file. So I'm going to create it by using cat command. Let me check first ls, how many files are there? File 1, file 2. Okay, I'm going to create some demo file. Cat demo file inside hi, hello. Hi, hello. Control C. Same file, right? Git add, git commit -m updates, git push. So this git push means what? One file I push into remote repository. The file is demo, inside hi, hello, something content is there. Now come to GitHub remote repository. Now refresh it. One demo guy is there, right? Open this guy. Hi, hello. 2 lines are there. Clear? Now developer 2, what he need to do first? Git pull means everything will update. So in your notes, write in your language. Half Hindi, half English, half Telugu, right? So now ls demo is there, right? Cat demo hi, hello is there. Is this clear? Okay. Now come to here. ls cd demo, sorry, otherwise vi demo. I'm going to add one more line. Welcome. Done. Same thing. vi demo. Hi, hello is there, right? Insert. Insert. What is the third line? Bye. Clear? 2 lines, there is no difference. But third line, developer 1 is saying that welcome is the right. Developer 2 is saying that bye is the right. Is this clear now? Okay. Let's check first git pull. Understand, both are working same branch. ls cat demo. Welcome is there, right? He is supposed to pull now. In his end, welcome will update. If it is a wrong, he can modify that with the bye. Without pull, he is saying that cat demo bye. So I'm going to add this one now. Okay. I'm going to add this one now. Git commit -m bye. Now he's trying to push. Here, 2 things we need to understand. Commit ID is different first. Commit ID is different. What we can do first? Git pull and push. For that, we are very clear, right? Okay. But whatever commit ID is updated by developer 1, okay? Whatever commit ID is updated by developer 1, let's come and check. Give git log developer 1, git log. See, latest one is what, guys? E24E something. Come to GitHub. What is the latest one? Refresh here. E24E46. Let's come back. Okay. E24E646 is the latest one by developer 1. If you click on that, you can able to see Hey, where is welcome? Huh? Oh, is it? Okay. Git status. Okay, I need to add, right? Git add, git commit -m, welcome. Clear? Okay. Now git log. So I'm this commit, welcome commit, but my remote is here. What I need to do now? I need to push. Okay. Done. So my changes, welcome changes push to my GitHub remote repository by developer one, but developer to add to push, but he's added, right? He's added different content in place of welcome. He's added by. Now what he need to do first? Pull and push. Clear? Okay, let me go and check. Refresh this one. Welcome will come by developer one. Developer one. The commit ID is what? BE270DF. Anyway, commit ID is different from the developer two. So if he push, no problem. If he pull, no problem. Okay. What he's trying to do now? So he's added what? Git log. Same line he's added by. Git push. Just a minute, guys. Okay. What is the issue? The issue one is what here? You should pull first and push. This is clear, right? Okay. I'm going to git pull first. What is the error? Conflicts, right? In earlier cases, we cannot see this conflict. So they are saying there is some conflict. Where is that conflict? How to fix? See, git pull means earlier case it is asking to merge and git push, right? This case it is saying there is a conflicts in demo. What is that conflict? Let's come now. I will show you in the paint. You can understand clearly. This is demo file, right? What is it here? Hi. Hello. Welcome. So is this guy developer one? Now developer two, same file demo. Hi. Hello. Here. Bye. So my remote already updated by D1. So D1 is updated into remote. This is very tricky concept in Git. But understanding is very difficult. Once again, I'm saying GitHub, right? Demo already sent, right? Already push. So means demo file updated here, right? Demo file updated what? With which content? Hi. Hello. Welcome. Developer one point of view clear. Developer two working with the same file. The third line is not welcome by. He is trying to push now. is trying to push, but due to some commit difference, you are unable to push. For that, what you did? Git pull. Git pull means which file will update here? Updated one, that is demo one only, right? So demo one is going to update into his local, but in his local already file is there, right? In his local already file is there, same demo file, but conflicts were here. Hi, hello, same, no problem, but welcome here, bye. Which I need to update here? You are going to pull right. It will not update like bye and hello, welcome here. It is not like that. Git will trace line by line. See 3 lines, right? Which line I need to confirm? In your point of view, you are saying bye, but while pull time, it has to update welcome. But in your end, bye. What I need to update? Clear? What are you saying? 10 minutes time. Okay, guys. If I pull, here confusion will come. Welcome or bye. Pull means what? Same file will update into your directory. Then you can add your updates. Clear? If both are same, no problem. You can add your 5th line, you can add push. Again, add 6th line, you can push. No problem. But here, same line. Which line I need to pull here? But in your end, 3rd line is bye. In remote end, 3rd line is welcome. Clear or not? So you are trying to pull. The system is saying some conflicts is there on the 3rd line. Pull means 3rd line has to update with the welcome. But 3rd line already you have done by bye. It is not overcome. You have to confirm that. It is overcome means system will not work in the correct way. Wrong also updated with the right one, right? If it's automatically do means you have to update one, you knew one, which one is the correct. So what I can do now? System is saying some conflicts is there. So you can see here, what is the file? Cat demo, right? See the conflicts. Git is saying these conflicts, 3rd line, right? Clear or not? vi demo, open this page now. Now you tell which one is the right, bye or welcome? 3rd line. If you are right, you just talk to your developer. So you have updated 3rd line is the wrong one. This is the right one. I'm going to push the changes. Okay, you can go with that. See, this is developers in between both. Collaboration is required. Clear? So now you tell me which one is the correct, so that I will remove remaining one. Give insert first. Which one is the right? We are always to welcome to people, not by right. So that's why I stick on that welcome only, right? I'm removing by now. I'm the developer too, okay? Okay. Now you tell me, I have saved the file. File modifications is there right now. What I need to do now again? File modification there means what I need to do here now. I need to add, right? If you can check git status, modify demo, what I can do? Git add, sorry. Git commit -m conflicts, whatever. Done. Shall I push now? Will it work now? But pull not yet complete, right? Pull not yet complete, right? Okay, let me push. It is going to push your changes as a correct one now. Now, see. Now you can go to git log, give git log 48C, whatever it is the latest commit. After add, you have added, right? Whenever you pull, that is commit is updated by developer one commit. Now you can push your changes. Clear? Now you can go and verify here. Hi. Okay, let me go to test. Conflicts are updated, right? Let's go now. Which one is the correct? Welcome is the correct. Both developers agreed welcome is the correct. You can go with the welcome. Clear now? This is the same file, different file, the difference. Anyway, just practice it for today. If you have any challenges, we'll work on tomorrow. Okay. This is same branch. Different branch, no conflicts will come. When conflicts will come, your branch is going to merge into main branch. I will tell you that. What is the branching concept, and tomorrow we'll discuss. Too much work for today. Yes. Clear? Tomorrow class is very interesting, guys. Seriously. Whatever challenges we are facing, those challenges we can overcome by using branching concept. Is there lab session today? If the content is difficult, means you guys are asking lab sessions, right? I think it was there. Anyway, guys, CC, now very difficult to, oh, getting CCs, huh? Sorry, guys. Tomorrow we have a class. Once again, I'm saying, morning, what you will do? Say one confusion clear, huh? Super. CC means confusion clear. See, new definition for CC. We can stick on that Pranit CC now. Not crystal clear, confusion clear. Started also we have a class. Yes. Mari Jagarama. You can do it. Jagaram night, right? Don't do Jagaram morning. Everyone doing morning. So everyone better to do Jagaram, right? We can do the practice, right? Yeah. One step, two benefits. Blessings you will get from the God. Also, you can clear your doubts. I'm also planning to do that. Okay. But not with Gita. Okay. Okay, guys. See you. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye. Don't miss any class tomorrow. If you miss, it is incomplete. Forget. Bye.